When you first receive these Wurkkos TS10 lights, the auxiliary LEDs on them stay lit. When you first turn it on, it'll come on and change colors. The one on the left's the max and the one on the right's the original version. They come on and they'll stay on this bright reddish orange tint on the auxiliary LEDs around the corner. So if you want to turn those off or make changes to them, it's a matter of just the amount of clicks you do on the back of the light. So this is considered bright mode the way it comes. If you want to make a change to that, just with the back, you click it 7 times. You'll get a quick little flash. That changes it to strobe mode. So from now on, it'll just strobe on and off continuously. If you want to turn it off, just do it 7 more times. Get that flash. And now it's off completely, so you won't get any more light coming out of it. It won't drain your battery. Even though these little small LEDs don't drain your battery fast at all, it still can drain it if you forget about it and leave it there. So to go to low mode, which will just barely put out any light, 7 more clicks. Get that little click. And it's really hard to tell, but it's just barely putting out a little bit of light on it. Probably can't see that, but they're on, but just barely on. And to get it back to the original high, just 7 more clicks. Whoops, messed up here. Get the flash, and it's back to the way it came. So both of these are back to the way it came at considered bright on the LEDs. You can see them pretty well. So that's really all you need to do to turn it on and off. It's just a matter of 7 clicks in a row, look for the little flash, and then that's when it changes each mode. And this is the way they come in the simple version of the UI. When you go to the advanced version of the operating system in it, by changing it over, it still uses the same 7-click system. So really, to turn it off, that's all you got to do, and just basically go through the 7 clicks once to switch it to strobe, and then 7 clicks one more time, and it turns it off completely. So if that helped you at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.